Hi, my name is Natalia Willette, and I am a Florida real estate attorney and estate planning attorney. And today I wanted to talk to you about foreclosure sales. What do you do about HOA liens and junior liens when you're purchasing at a superior mortgage foreclosure sale? For more videos like today's video, please remember to subscribe to our channel. We have excellent videos that come out at least once a week, new videos, and we have well over 100 videos for your real estate investment needs here in the state of Florida. So without further ado, let's talk about foreclosure sales and what happens with those HOA liens or condo association liens, and what happens with those junior liens that exist on the property. So one of the biggest misconceptions or myths out there in the investor community is that if you buy at a purchase money mortgage foreclosure sale, you're not going to have to be responsible for any HOA liens or condo association liens. I want to dispel this myth immediately. You do have liability for those things. The only party entity that has an ability to curtail those assessments to the last 12 months or 1% of the principal balance or final judgment amount is actually the bank. So if the bank is the purchaser at the foreclosure auction, the bank has the ability to curtail those assessments that are due and outstanding to that safe harbor amount of the last 12 months. But other parties don't, not necessarily. And you would be one of the lucky few to have the restrictions of record of the association that are more lenient towards third-party purchasers and say that if you're a third-party purchaser, you don't owe any of the prior outstanding dues and assessments. There are associations and condominiums, HOAs that have that kind of language. There's still some that exist. But that is not generally the case for the majority of the associations out there. So if there are association liens that are outstanding, you're going to have to take care of those. So please build in those to your bidding price. What about junior liens? Well, technically, if you're another type of junior lien holder, so long as you've been named a party in the foreclosure proceedings, your interest, your junior interest, is foreclosed out. That does mean that those junior liens do get wiped out in the foreclosure, and if you're a purchaser at a superior mortgage foreclosure auction, you do not have to pay for those junior lien holders. But what if they're missed? What if they're omitted? What if they just weren't named? In that case, in order to get a clear title that takes care of those junior liens, you do have to do reforeclosure proceedings. Reforeclosure proceedings might require a whole new judicial sale, or there's also the second option in the second district court, which is Hillsborough, Pinellas, Polk, Pasco County, those counties. Those have the option of doing a motion to terminate the redemptive rights of junior lien holders. So it does involve notifying the omitted junior lien holder, giving them the opportunity to tender the final judgment amount to redeem themselves and make their junior lien survive. Because essentially at that point they're taking over the position of the superior mortgage lender. But you do have to take steps to clear out junior liens that have been omitted or missed. Now, what about the junior liens that are county liens or municipal liens? Unlike tax deeds, county liens and municipal liens, unless they are super priority liens, which means that it doesn't matter when they get recorded, they just have priority over all other liens. Generally, so long as they're not super priority liens, those also get wiped out. And it used to be that those counties or cities would try to fight it out and try to collect those things. And there's been recent case law that says, no, you really are wiped out. Nothing makes you superior. The fact that your little ordinance says, oh, I consider myself superior, doesn't overcome the Florida statutes, which are a superior law and therefore supreme over your little comments in the ordinances. And so the majority of those get wiped out. You might have to speak with certain levels of authority above the person who generally gives you releases and satisfaction, but lately they've been more understanding of the fact that their liens for mowing and all that do get wiped out. What are some super priority liens? For example, a homestead tax lien is a super priority lien that is not going to be wiped out. A lien for water utilities is also a super priority lien that is not going to get wiped out. So there's a few other ones like that. You just have to keep in mind that if you see those little red flags that should tell you, I have to take care of this, I'm going to have to pay this off. And the homestead liens can be quite substantial. So those are some of the differences between, or some of the things that you have to address if you do end up purchasing property at a mortgage foreclosure that has either HOA, condo association liens outstanding, or there are junior lien holders in place that have been omitted or missed, or they're in the nature of liens by the county or the municipality involved where the property is located. I want to say to you, my name is Natalia Willette. I'm a real estate and estate planning attorney here in the state of Florida, and good luck out there, investors.